लोग दोस्तों फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे इस चैनल में। इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द लाइक बटन। Today I will show you
Top 10 secrets to boost business revenue overnight in 2023. While there may be no guaranteed way to overnight business success, here are 10 secrets that can help boost business revenue in the near future. Upsell and cross-sell. Encourage customers to purchase more by offering upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Promote additional products or services related to what they already have in their cart or have previously purchased. Offer discounts and promotions. Attract customers by offering discounts or promotions which can incentivize purchases and generate higher revenue. Streamline operations. Optimize operational processes through outsourcing or automating certain aspects which could save costs, maximize efficiency and enhance customer experience. Optimize digital presence. Optimize your digital presence through search engine optimization, SEO, and social media marketing, as this can lead to increased traffic and higher sales conversion rates. Enhance customer experience. Provide enhanced customer experience by implementing customer feedback, personalization and support for efficient problem resolution. Expand product or service offerings. Expand product or service offerings to cover new and profitable areas of business. Optimize pricing strategy. Analyze consumer behavior and consumer preferences to adjust pricing strategy which can drive more purchases. Increase collaboration and partnerships. Join forces with businesses and organizations that align with your goal and brand, thereby expanding the reach and revenue potential. Focus on niche markets. Focus on targeting niche markets which can provide a competitive edge in a crowded market. Explore new business models. Innovate and experiment with new business models such as subscriptions, premium models, licensing, etc. to add new revenue streams.